What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this Mech Wallet. This was sent in from the company, I believe it's puncube. Okay, they have a little Kickstarter going out. I will link that in the description, and that way you can go there if you like the product, click the link, check it out. I get no commission from it. I'm just reviewing it for them, and they said give them an honest review. And here we go. Let's open up the small one first. So we have here a little wallet. Wash and dry to restore stickiness. Oh, so you can remove it. Nice. And then you wash it to restore its stickiness so you can stick it onto your phone. Okay, well, I'll stick it onto my case. All right, so there. Oh, well, you gotta press on it, and then there you go. All right, pretty nice. So those cases that has the phone or whatever on it. Well, not the phone. Y'all know the cases with the wallet. So this is pretty cool. So you could basically have your own sticky wallet, and that's real nice. And actually sticks on better now. So that's pretty cool. All right. Now, if your question is, and remember, they said wash it. Now, if your question is how many cards fit on here, I have some gift cards. All right. We have Amazon gift card, and the card is like slightly coming out, but it still fits on the inside, and it snaps really good. All right. So that's one card. All right. We're going to just put a few cards. I got my Instacart card. We have Costco, TJ Maxx. Still fits. All right, let's see if we can keep on going. All right, now these are just gift cards, you guys, not Sam's Club gift card. We have Lowe's gift card. We gift card crazy, right? Home Depot gift card, and then we have another Lowe's gift card. So we got about, how many cards of that? Didn't even count. Let's see. Now this might be too much. All right, so that's too much for there. So what you can do is split it. So we got half here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if 5 will do. 5 will still have you flipping out. So let's stop that. Okay, so 4 cards. 4 cards fits perfectly right here. But then you have a pouch right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I believe you may fit another one, but you might be screaming out too much. But this is pretty cool. In all reality, people are not carrying that many cards with them no more. All right. And if you want to use this as a regular wallet, you can keep this here and put it back on. All right. Put it back on how it was and just use it as a regular wallet, you guys. Put it right in your pocket and then take out. Very nice. And they have their brand name on this wallet right here, puncube. All right, puncube.com. And here we have another wallet. This is 100% RFID blocking. That's when those criminals and the counterfeit people, those con people, they got that big thing or whatever. It might be small now, and they scan your pocket. All they have to do is walk right beside you. This will block it right here. That's what the company promised. Okay, don't come after me. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. You have a clip right here, and they have the stickiness to the clip, so you can clip this. Well, you can stick this onto the clip because it has the reusable sticky pad on here. If you want to use this, clip it onto your belt or something, then there you go. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't even use a clip. I'm just gonna be honest. We have Amazon gift card. Now, do I just place it in? We have Costco. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see what 6 do. All right. So we put them in there, and oh, this is fire. Put your finger here, push out, and then your cards will come out in different layers, and you can pick which card you want, and basically collapse it back down. This is very nice, you guys. I think I will be using this for a little while. I will get rid of my old leather wallet. Y'all know those leather wallets. I will get rid of my old leather wallet. All right, you guys. So I still see space in here that I can put the cards. So I'm going to put all my cards back in again. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. No problem. They come out. When you push it back in, you have to push them back down like that. They don't collapse in by themselves. All right. And that's pretty cool. So the mechanism is right there. All right. And it's easy to do with your thumb. So you just hold your hands on the back, push up, and yeah. They actually have like a little thumb part right there to push up. Or however you want to push it up. But more than likely using your thumb. This is awesome. Very thin. Let me go ahead and measure it for y'all. This is for the guys for inches. This is 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches length, and then 2 inches. All right. So 3.5, and then we got 2 inches up here. On their site, it says card capacity is 9 cards. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I don't have 9 cards. Well, I do have 9 cards, but the rest are credit cards. So I can't show you those. I could use this whole thing as a wallet. Oh, okay. Now we're talking. I like this better. You guys, this is groundbreaking. You got all of that right there you can use as a wallet. Oh, sorry. So you have all of this you can use as a wallet right here, right? Or you could flip it open and use this as a wallet right here. All right, you could put your ID here, and then you could put more cards here. I love this wallet, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I might be with this wallet for a little while. This wallet is awesome. I like this. I'm leaving the old leather wallet, and yeah, so you'll probably see me promote this a little bit more because I actually like this. So that will be it, you guys. All right, puncube, and yeah. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.